Hello friends, welcome to what will likely be a cooking disaster because yes, I'm Southern. However, pie crust just eludes me. I don't do a good homemade pie crust, and the fact that I'm trying to do it vegan means it's on hard mode. I am using the recipe from Nora Cooks, so you can find the recipe from her website, and it makes only one pie crust, and this is also a recipe that says that it doesn't need to be refrigerated or frozen. I can just pop it in the pie crust and go. So that'll be interesting. Let's see how it turns out. It's about then that I realized that we should have been heating the oven this entire time. Well, that looks like I added entirely too much water, so let's turn it onto a lightly floured surface and see if that saves the day. Well, that is accidentally heavily floured. Let's see if we can save it. It looks like Play-Doh, but it doesn't feel too bad, so hopefully we can roll it out pretty well. Ooh. I'm a confused bisexual. I am not confused about being bisexual, I'm just bisexual and confused. Why, Nora? Why? You lied. This was supposed to be one pie crust tie. I gotta make a lattice top now. And for context, we do need to make an apple pie because I bought a bag of questionable looking apples from the clearance section for 99 cents. And I like to cook my questionable produce. It is the next day. I let the pie cool overnight. Generally with apple pie, if you do not let it cool for a couple hours, then it's like cutting into molten lava. So, since I did not want to eat molten lava, we let it cool overnight. I would like to submit this as my application to join the Hobbit commune. I look forward to hearing back from you in 2 to 3 weeks. I think that it looks pretty good. It is a Friday morning, so what better breakfast to have at the end of a week than pie? My usual apple pie recipe, I personally like the Dutch apple crumble coating because once again, I suck with pie crust and usually just get a store-bought one. And I just, the Dutch apple pie crumbly, I did the lattice because I had so much, but I don't think that it's going to beat the Dutch apple. But how I baked it was at 400 for 30 minutes with the edge covered in aluminum foil. And then I think I did the 15 minutes with the edge uncovered, and that made it a little bit crispy. So maybe I would do 10 next time, or just keep it covered for 35 minutes instead of 30. I'm kind of surprised that this turned out pretty well. Like, it tastes like a normal pie crust.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
And like, it's not like, it doesn't have a weird texture. It's not like crumbly. Like, it's very the texture of a pie crust.
Yeah, that's just pie.
Yeah. And this is a entirely vegan pie crust. It's the country crock, margarine, and shortening.
Oh, yeah. That turned out really well.
Bear, you do not get pie.
But apples.
I know that apples are in the pie and apples are your favorite, but no pie.
Good.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos should come out on Tuesdays, Fridays, or both. And like always, stay happy, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye.